3. Selling digital products. If you're more of a creative or have knowledge that can help others, consider creating digital products that you can sell. This could be ebooks, design templates for web or print, online courses or guides, photography or stock footage. Platforms like Etsy, Teachable, or Udemy allow you to sell your digital products with minimal upfront investment. 4. Affiliate marketing. If you have a strong online presence, whether on Instagram, YouTube, or your own blog, affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to monetize your influence. Affiliate marketing is where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate. You can combine affiliate marketing with blogging or social media content creation to build a profitable side hustle. 5. Social media management. Many businesses, especially small ones, need help managing their social media presence. If you're savvy with platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, you can offer services as a social media manager. You can create content, schedule posts, and help brands grow their audience. Look for gigs on Indeed, LinkedIn Jobs, Freelancer as a freelance option.